Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make a delicious and healthy snack, crispy roasted chickpeas. Ingredients. *1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. *1 tablespoon of olive oil. *1 teaspoon of garlic powder. *1 teaspoon of paprika. *1 teaspoon of cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. First, let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. 2. While the oven heats up, grab a bowl and add the chickpeas, olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, and a pinch of salt and pepper. 3. Give it a good toss to make sure all the chickpeas are coated with the delicious spices. 4. Now, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread the chickpeas out in a single layer. 5. Pop them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, shaking the pan halfway through for even browning. 6. Once the chickpeas are golden brown and crispy, take them out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. And there you have it. These crispy roasted chickpeas are a perfect snack to munch on throughout the day, and they're also a great addition to salads or soups. They're packed with protein and flavor, and they're so easy to make. So, why not give them a try? If you do, leave a comment below and let me know how you like them. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.